guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I post about fitness and lifestyle. So if you'd like to stay in tune with me, then hit the subscribe button. But today's video is going to be all about how to get your life organized. And first of all, I just want to say I hope everyone is safe and healthy. It's been a crazy last few weeks, so it's a perfect time to get organized, honestly, because it's just been so hectic. So I got my notes here, so if I'm looking down, that's probably why. But yes, so let's get into the video. So the first step to get organized is to get rid of things you don't need, you don't use, or doesn't give you joy. I started this book and never finished it. It's called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. You've probably heard about it, but basically her method is you hold everything up and you ask, does this give me joy? And if the answer is no, then you get rid of it. There are great apps to sell clothes on or other items. I have sold a lot of clothes on like Curtsy, Mercari. I will link my accounts below if you want to look at my clothes or anything I'm selling. But yeah, I've kind of sold like random things on Mercari, or I'm trying to sell, and Curtsy I've sold over $100 worth of clothes. So I really recommend that to you if you don't want to just like give away clothes, because you might have some clothes that are expensive. Any of the other clothes, you can donate them or take them to, I know, Plato's Closet, and even though they really don't take that many clothes, but you know, Plato's Closet, types of stores like that, or just take them to Goodwill or any other thrift stores. The second thing is have a place for everything. Don't let things just lay around your room. Always find a place where you can put things that are like it, or maybe it just like fits well there. Put things away in those places when you're cleaning. Don't just cram things in corners, in your closet, under your bed, whatever. I know as a little kid, we have all had the experience of like your parents tell you to clean your room and you literally just throw everything under your bed or in your closet. When you go back to those places that you cram stuff, now you're just stressed because you have to find where all of those things go. You could have just put them in the right place the first time and wouldn't have had to go back and clean it a second time. It's way more efficient to just put things in the correct place the first time. Number 3 is planning. So for me personally, I use a bullet journal. You can use it monthly, weekly, daily. You can set it up however you need to work for your schedule and what you need to accomplish, and it's really helpful, especially for content creators, students, anything like that. You can really personalize them. I have lots of different pages for like workout type thing. I made a video all about more in depth how I plan things in that, and my monthly, weekly, and daily setup. So if you want to go check out that video, I'll link it down below. Also, utilize the reminder app in your phone. I use that for everything. If I need to remember an appointment or anything like that, we always have our phones on us, so it's a perfect way to get reminded about things. Number 4, again, we always have our phones. We're on our phones every single day. It is so important to keep them organized. Make sure that all the things we need every day and we use most frequently be on your home screen so that it's easy to get to. Categorize apps in folders. It makes it so much easier to find different apps and just makes your phone so much cleaner. Go through your photos like on a monthly basis. I know for me especially, it's kind of hard. Sometimes I'll have like a normal photo and like an edited photo, so I have to like determine which one I'd want to delete and everything. So go through those like weekly to monthly depending on how many photos, and just clear out. Put them in different albums to keep them together in case you want to go back on them or try to find an event that you went to, etc. Number 5, the most important, is to create a system that works for you. So play around with using your phone for planning and all that, or using a notebook or anything like that. Again, I really recommend a bullet journal if you really want to personalize the way you organize everything. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, go check out my bullet journal video if you would like to know more about that. Anyway, see you in my next video.